How to fix Epic Games error IS-0003. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Epic Games error 0003. So let's get started. The first fix here is simply ending the task of Epic Games. So for that, open up your task manager. You can simply search for task manager on your search bar and open that up, or you can right click on your taskbar and then simply choose task manager. After you do that, you'll see Epic Games Launcher right here. Right click on it and then end task. After you end task, you can then simply restart Epic Games again and check if the error is still there or not. So if the error is still there, this is the next fix. First, you will need to open up your run. After you open up your run, here you will need to type in percentage local app data percentage. So type this in and enter, and this should open up your local app data folder. So right here, you will see your local app data. What you'll need to do is you'll need to search for Epic Games. So here is Epic Games Launcher. Open that folder up, and here you will find saved folder again. Double tap on it, and there you'll find two other folders. Now, whatever folder you find instead of config and logs, simply delete those folders. Folders will probably be named saved and something else. So delete those folders. Just select the folders, right click on it, and then tap on delete. After you delete those folders, you can restart your Epic Games and your problem will get fixed. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.